Hi everyone, how are you? Today something is really bothering me though. My feet are so dry and they are cracks and it really hurts. So I thought I need something and I found what I need. It's the Baredo Everyday Repair Foot Cream. This cream is very moisturizing and there are two key ingredients. The first one is urea. Urea melts the dead skin cells and keep the moisture inside, while lactic acid, the second ingredient, will help to combine the moisture into your skin. It absorbs really quickly. It's just like a hand cream. You can use it anytime. The natural ingredients contained in the cream will form a protective layer on your skin. The packaging is also very simple to use, and you can take it anywhere and put it on your feet anywhere, even in the office. The second product I have here is the Baredo Therapeutic Foot Serum. You can simply spray it in 10 seconds on your skin, and it's gonna remove the dead skin cells and moisturize. This serum is so easy to use. You just have to spray it on your skin up to 3 times and rub it until it absorbs. This file will exfoliate your skin really well. This file will exfoliate your skin. It's made of stainless steel, which is going to lessen the damage on your skin.